Hey everyone, hope you're doing well. This is Matsek and we are back with another cool video how hackers hack WordPress websites from TryHackMe all in one room. In this video, we will dive into how hackers approach WordPress, do recon, grab juicy info, crack admin credits, get shell, and escalate privileges to snap those flags. Quick favor before we dive in. If you enjoy content like this, hit that subscribe button. It's completely free to keep you in the loop and help us to keep dropping these hacking walkthroughs for you. Alright, let's jump straight in. First, we will start our OpenVPN. Okay, we have connected successfully. So now I have created all-in-one directory in TryHackMe root directory. So now let's do an nmap scan. Nmap sc for default scripts, s sc for default scripts, and sv to enumerate the version. -p to scan all those ports, and t4 to speed up the scans. So now I need the IP, so which is this, and I'm gonna paste it over here. And then we're gonna save this output as normal. So we're gonna save this as initial and enter. After a few minutes, nmap scan has been completed. Let us zoom in, and if you see here, port 21 is open, and which is HTTP, and also if you check here, it is anonymous login has been allowed. So let's check that. And port 22 SSH is open, and port 80 HTTP, which is website. So what we can do is first we will check this FTP. FTP, and we have to get the IP. So let's copy this IP and put it over here and enter. Okay, now we need to type anonymous, and you don't need any password, so just enter. So login is successful, and we'll type ls. We don't have anything inside, and ls la to find the hidden files. And unfortunately, we don't have any hidden files also. So what we can do is we will exit this. Okay. So now we will check the website, what is running on the server. Let's check. So this is a default Apache to Ubuntu default page. So from here, we don't have any information on this. We couldn't find any juicy information here. This is not useful. So what we can do is we can search the hidden directory, so that sometimes the website contains some hidden directories which might be useful in the pen test or bug bounty. So let's check. Let's do Ferox Buster. HPX. Okay, Buster. And for you, for the URL tag, we're gonna paste the URL here, and we're gonna put the word list. Word list is user share word list, and we're gonna use the Buster, and we should use directory list 2.3 medium.txt. I'm gonna use this, and also I'm gonna mention the thread as 40, and this looks good. Let's enter. Okay, after a few minutes, it has found that it is running a WordPress website, and also it has another one directory called hackathons. So what we can do is we will stop the scan. Let's Control C. We'll end this, and we'll go above, and you can see it is running a WordPress site, and we have another one directory called hackathons. So let's open this, and first we'll check what is this hackathons hack. Let's copy the directory and paste it here. So, damn, how much I hate the smell of vinegar. So, this is something a hint for us to find something in this web page. So, what we can do is we have to right click and view uh, the page source. So, if you go below, there is some comment in this HTML page which is giving some strings. So basically, in the pen test, also you need to search for any developer commands which sometimes contain any critical information in that. So if you see this, this is something. It looks like a password, but it doesn't have any meaning, right? So, and also if you see this page, it shows I hate the smell of vinegar. So we have a vinegar encoding. So what we can do is we'll try to decode this first. Cyberchef, we'll open a Cyberchef, and in the search type for um, vinegar, vinegar decode, and you need to copy the string first. Copy this and paste it here, and then you need to give the key. So the key is keep going. So this should be the key. Let's copy this and paste it in the key. So now after putting the key, it has decoded the value for us. So which is try hack me at 123. So you can just copy this and open a mousepad. So just and we'll paste this password here. Okay, so now we have this some info here. So now what we can do is we'll analyze the WordPress site. So we'll just go here and type WordPress, enter. And if you see, it is running on the WordPress site. And also if you see in the Ferox Buster, the directory finder, we have an WP admin and we doesn't know what is the username's content. So basically what we can do is we can search like, we can try with admin username. So we can just try admin and the password what we found here is this, and we can copy that and paste it here. It doesn't work. Okay. So and again we can try admin and paste only this hack me and try. It doesn't work. Okay. So now basically what attacker will do is they will they will scan for WP scan because this is nothing but this is a WordPress scan. This scans for the vulnerable plugins and enumerate the user details. So we can use this to find those information. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna copy the URL, which is this, and I'm gonna paste it here. Let's type URL, and I'm gonna paste it here, and then we have to mention what we're gonna enumerate. So we're gonna enumerate vulnerable plugins and the user. Let's enter. Okay, after a few seconds, the WP scan has been completed, and if you see here, it has enumerating the vulnerable plugins, but there is no plugin found. And if you see, it is enumerating the users, and it has identified some users. One user, which is Ileana. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy this and I'm going to go here and paste it here. And we're going to copy this password, the whole password, and paste it here and log in. It doesn't work. And again, what we're going to do, we're going to copy only this hack me at 123 and paste it here and log in. Okay, this worked. Now what we're going to do, we have to click the email is correct and then we're going to continue. Okay, so we have got an admin panel of WordPress. So now using this, we have to find a way to get a shell to the machine. So how to do that? There is two ways I'll show you. You have to, for that you have to click appearance and theme editor. So this theme is running on 2020 and go to theme editor and click I understand. And if you click theme functions, you can paste your shell code and then click update file, you will get a shell. And another one way is you have to go to 404 template or any page, just put your shell code and then try to visit that page. And also you have to turn on your Netcat listener on your local machine so that you'll get a shell. So we're gonna follow this method, and this is because easy. You just have to paste your shell over here and you just need to update. But I'm gonna show this method how we're gonna get this shell over here. Let's see. I'm using hack tools for getting a shell. So I have given my IP and the port which we're gonna listen. So I'm gonna click PHP reverse shell and I'm gonna copy this pentester monkey reverse shell. I'm just gonna copy this and going to 404 template and I'm just gonna replace everything over here. I have replaced this and just gonna update the file. Okay, now the file got updated. and open a new tab and type netcat listener lvnp and the port 4848. Enter. So now we are listening on this port. Now what we have to do is we have to just change this. Let's open a duplicate thing and we need to delete everything. So also if you see the theme is 2020 for because we need this for browsing the 404 page. Let's wp content and we're going to use themes and theme name is 2020 and the page is 404.php. So this looks good. Now let's press enter. So this is loading because this is a good sign. If you check here, we have a shell. That's great. So now let's ls. So we are in the mission. So we'll go for cd home to check the users and we have Ilyana. So let's go cd Ilyana and ls. We have user.txt. Let's catch this user.txt. While we do this, we get permission denied. So we don't have the permission to view this user.txt. So, and also we have int.txt. So let's check that. Cat int.txt. Ilyana's user password is hidden in the system. Find it. Okay, so Ilyana password is hidden in the system. So what we can do is we can search find in the whole root directory. And what we're going to find is the type we're going to find for files. And also we're going to find the user which is uh, only mapped to Ilyana. Okay, and also we're gonna route all the errors and suppress all the errors. So just we're gonna route all the errors to the dev slash null. Enter. So this has found some interesting files over here. Let's wait for a few more. Okay. So the scan, I mean the file, the find has completed the search. It has found some interesting files over here, but all those files are the Linux required files. But if you see this file, it looks interesting. So let's copy this and cat this out. Okay, this has the password. So let's copy this and paste it over here. And in the previously, we have SSH open. So we'll try to log in with this password. Do an SSH Ilyana at the IP is this one. Let's paste this IP and enter. Let's type yes and the password is EC, right? Okay. Paste the password here and enter. I didn't paste the password properly and enter. I think I didn't copy the password. Copy it and paste it over here. Okay. We got an SSH access. So now what we can do is we'll ls and we'll get this user.txt. We have base 64. I think this is base 64. So what we can do, can go here, we will remove this. We will add base 64 from base 64 and paste the flag here. Okay, now what we can do is we will go and find the root flag. So let's go to root directory, cd root. So the permission is denied. We cannot access the root directory. So now what we can do, we can find the permissions, what and all the things we binaries we have access to execute with sudo privileges. So sudo l will display all the binaries we will have access to execute without the password. So we have socket, this binary we can execute with the sudo privileges. By using this, we try to escalate the privilege. So how we can do that? Open open a browser and type gtfo bins. So this is a good site to find all the binaries which we can try to escalate the privilege. So let's go here and type socket. and click sudo because we have a sudo access. So copy the sudo socket stdin and executing the bin.shell. So we are just creating a shell and copy that and paste it over here and enter. Now let's type who am I? We are root. Now let's go to cd root ls and we have the root.txt cat root.txt and this is also base64. Just copy that, open a browser, go here and replace this flag here and you have the root flag also. So this is how hacker try to approach a WordPress site. So first they try to enumerate the website, and then they try to find the vulnerable plugins and enumerate the users. And with that, they try to brute force the password of the users, and then they try to get a shell of the mission and try to escalate from there. So this is the easy way to solve this room. If you like this video, please subscribe and chat to your friends. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.